So now that we're able to add, fetch, and update products, let's work on deleting them. Now for deleting, you could implement different approaches. You could add a method to the product class so that you can create a new product object and call delete on it just as you call save on it. But I will go with a static method. And I'll add a static method which I'll name delete by ID and where I expect a product ID as an argument. Now in here, of course, again, we need access to the database. So let's call getDB to get access to that one central database connection we configured at the start. And then on the DB, again, it's time to reach out to the products collection. And on that collection, we want to delete an element. Now, as always, you find more in the official docs and the CRUD operations. If we click on delete documents, you see that just as we had insert one, insert many, and so on, we also have delete many and delete one. Now, I don't want to delete many products, but exactly one. So I'll delete one product here. And you need to specify a filter now. So again, pass an object where you describe how to find that product. And again, it will be our boring ID equal to check here. Now here, product ID is an argument, so we need to convert it to an object ID manually again by passing it to the object ID constructor. And now MongoDB will go ahead and delete the first element it finds that has this criteria fulfilled. So I will return here, and of course, just as before, we can add then and catch here if we want. We can catch any error and console log it. And we can also work with the result of this operation. We could console log it. I'll just console log delete it. And that will be it. So now we have the delete by ID method. Now we just need to add it. So in the admin.js controller file, here, the post delete product route, let's comment it back in. Or not route, the action I mean, of course. We extract the product ID. And then here we had a different flow. I first of all found the product here. Now we don't do that anymore. We just call product delete by ID instead. We pass the product ID as a string, and then we just have our then block here, which won't receive an argument. And yeah, that is it. We redirect thereafter. So let's go back to our application. Let's quickly add a new dummy product with totally invalid and uninteresting data. And that fails. That is an interesting behavior. Let's fix that in a second. Let's first of all check if deleting works. I get redirected to a page that is not found. Yeah, makes sense because obviously working in a controller is not enough. I need to go to my admin routes and comment in the post delete product route. So after changing this, let's now click delete. And now I got no products here. Let's confirm in Compass by quickly refreshing that page, and our product is gone. So deleting works. Let's now see what's going wrong when I tried to add that product.